Hey guys, this is Scott. Guess what? Remember back in 2000 when I found a white rose on Mars? Yes, you're looking at it right now from the year 2000. White rose on Mars. Just type white rose Mars or rose on Mars and you'll find it under my channel. Hey, this is cool, but it's different. What I found for you this time is some other life form. This other life form looks like one of those budding plants, some kind of flower again. And it's alive. Whatever this is, it looks like it's alive. It's just coming out of this rock itself. So there is life on Mars, whatever this is. It's some kind of worm-like plant or something coming up. And I want to show you the photo. Here it is. This is the actual photo, and I made it bigger. And you can see right here the full photo. It's actually quite big, but it's right over here next to this rock. Now I'm going to enlarge it and see, can you find the object in question? Now I can see it, and it's really odd that something so colorful would exist. But NASA did try to hide it from us. They put the photograph itself in false color, which they often do in order to hide life on Mars or evidence of life and other scientific discoveries on Mars. They try to put in false color because they want you to think the red planet is actually red. It's not. It actually has a blue sky a lot of the times. And it's just pretty, very amazing with the clouds and everything sometimes. Have you seen the cloud photos and video I put up? Anyway, this is it. But however, if I put you in the original, this is the original right here, the false color, and it really makes things harder to see. You can still see the object in question right back here. Okay, you can still see this object here. And this is the untouched photo, untouched. But what I'm going to do is put in natural color, natural color. Okay, here we go. Auto color, and there we go. Not bad. And I need to add a little deepening, a little bit of darkness to give the proper shading, and that is pretty close to perfection right there. So this is what it would normally look like. Now, why does NASA do that in false color? I told you, to hide alien life, alien evidence, other artifacts that might have color, and they don't want it to stand out. And they've been doing this for decades. They have. You'll see a lot of black and white and false color photos in majority. I'd say 95%. So look at that, guys. That's just crazy. That's just crazy. What is that? Remember, back in 2000, the year 2000, I reported this Mars, again, another Mars photo, Mars rose, a white rose on Mars, guys. Look at that. That is on the actual NASA website also. But let's focus on the one we just found. Now, this is kind of crazy and kind of interesting. I looked and searched all around here. I was searching all around for broken sculptures, for ancient artifacts, and I just didn't find much. Kind of interesting, possibly, but it's just not focused enough back there. And next to this rock, right over here, something caught my attention, and I just kept staring at it. What the hell am I looking at? Guys, again, I asked the question, what the hell are we looking at? You tell me in the about description below this video. Is it a plant? Is it an animal? Is it a mineral? What's going on Mars? And why does NASA not report these things? Why does the public have to be the one to report these things? Here's the actual NASA website I got it from. It's the Mars Perseverance website. And you come down, and here it is. It's not this one, actually. It's the one next to it. This one is very, very pixelated. And if I download it, which, you know, I could open this up, you could see the pixelization inside of it. It's just so unfocused. However, the color version is not like that. It's very focused, and this is the one you download right here. I'll put it in the about description below this video, the actual link. Take it directly here. You see it for yourself, but remember, you do have to put it in normal color. This is in false color. NASA likes to put things in false color in order to hide things from the public. Here is the picture itself, and somewhere it probably says false color, but they do it so often now, they don't always label false color. Now they do that to hide the details so you won't see the truth, as I showed you earlier. Hit that like and subscribe button. Please share this video. Helps me out. Thank you very much.